This is a video to set up your Okidata printer. Push the left gray guide all the way to the right till it gets stuck. Turn off the printer, turn it back on, and put a white piece of paper in there. In order to get to the menu, hold the Shift and press the SEL at the same time. To get the printer started, press on LF. 3 columns will print. The emulation mode for XP should be IBM PPR. For Vista and 7 should be Epson FX880. To change the values, click on Tear. Keep hitting LF till the left column you see Setup. Under Setup Graphics, click on Tear and make it bidirectional. From this point on, click on FF Load. The received buffer size should be 64K. If you don't get 64K, make sure at least it's on 28K. Click on FF Load, get to Paper Route Override. If it's on No, click on Tear, make it Yes. Continue hitting FF Load until you get to Auto Select. If it's No, click on Tear and make it Yes. Click on Shift and hit the SEL button again. Turn off the printer, turn it back on, hit FF Load and take the paper out. To set up your Okidata driver, simply plug in your Okidata printer. It should automatically pick up your printer as Okidata 320 or 420. If you're using XP operating system, the driver for that should be IBM ProPrinter 3. If you're using Vista or 7, the operating system, the driver should be Epson FX880. In order to change the driver, simply find your printer, right click on it, go to Printer Properties, go to Advanced, click on New Driver. On the left hand side, under Manufacturer, if it's XP, choose IBM. On the right hand side, choose IBM ProPrinter 3. If you have a Vista or 7 operating system, on the left side, choose Epson. On the right side, find Epson FX880. Click on Next and Finish. Once this is done, click on Apply and then hit OK. The next step, we need to go to Server Properties. You can go on the top to File, or in the middle on the white space, click on right click and then go to Server Properties. Make sure you delete all the fan folds on this list. If you have AR Custom on the list, delete that one too. Create new form by putting a check mark under Create New Form. The name of the form is going to be Custom. The width should be 10 and the height should be 26. After you're done, just click on Close. This should complete your printer installation and printer setup. The last step is to go to Autoxplorer and point the right printer to your Autoxplorer. On the top, click on Setup, go to Default Printer Setup. Make sure under your contract printer, you choose Epson FX880 if you're using Vista or 7, or IBM PPR if you're using XP. On the default report printer, you may choose the same or one of your LaserJets.